Hey, how's it going? This is Slowest RS. Just got in my twin disc clutch. This is the ceramic version of it. It's good for plus 500 horsepower. It took about 3 weeks. It got lost on the way over here. Ordered it from Adam at Tune Plus. So yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, let's open this up. Right off the bat, this is the true reason why I bought this, for stickers. Only reason why I got this clutch. Installation guide, and then before fitting, bam, there you go. Your alignment tool, some kind of grease, nuts and bolts, and then your release bearing, and here it is, the clutch. Check that shit out. Yeah, it's packaging pretty bad back here. Tore the box open. Damn, look how fucking heavy this shit is. Well, it's lighter than stock. It's only 33 pounds total for everything. Yeah, pretty much this is the clutch. It should be good up to 500 plus horsepower. My other one's slipping pretty bad. I'll keep you guys updated on how it goes when installed. But besides that, it looks pretty dope. Sucks that it goes inside a tranny. You can no longer see it. Probably the first and last time I'm gonna see this fucking clutch until it goes out again, but no big deal. You guys want to see what the inside kind of looks like? Bam. Yeah, it looks like it has glitter, but no, it's actually the foam inside the box. The teeth ate it all. See? All the styrofoam's eaten inside. Flip it around. That shit's dope. Well, like I said, the most important part of this package is this here, the stickers. They'll definitely be going on the car. Alright guys, I'll hit you guys up later when this shit's all installed, see how it runs. Again, this is the most brutal clutch there is for this car, from what I've heard. But I also heard it's almost identically the same as to the organic, which is up to 500 horsepower, but at one point we plan on running more than 500 horsepower, so that's why we went with this one. So yeah, alright guys.